Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. It is 10:47:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, the latest on supermassive black holes. So let's hop to it here. New studies suggest supermassive black holes could form from dark matter. Date February 24th, 2021. Source, Royal Astronomical Society. Summary. A new theoretical study has proposed a novel mechanism for the creation of supermassive black holes from dark matter. The international team find that rather than conventional formation scenarios involving normal matter supermassive black holes, could instead form directly from dark matter in high-density regions in the centers of galaxies. The result has key implications for cosmology in the early universe. Exactly how supermassive black holes initially formed is one of the biggest problems in the study of galaxy evolution today. Supermassive black holes have been observed as early as 800 million years after the Big Bang, and how they can grow so quickly remains unexplained. Standard formation models involve normal baryonic matter, the atoms and elements that make up stars, planets and all visible objects, collapsing under gravity to form black holes, which then grow over time. However, the new work investigates the potential existence of stable galactic cores, made of dark matter, and surrounded by a diluted dark matter halo, finding that the centers of these structures could become so concentrated that they can collapse into supermassive black holes once a critical threshold is reached. According to the model, this could have happened much more quickly than other proposed formation mechanisms, and would have allowed supermassive black holes in the early universe to form before the galaxies they inhabit, contrary to current understanding. This new formation scenario may offer a natural explanation for how supermassive black holes formed in the early universe, without requiring prior formation or needing to invoke seed black holes with unrealistic accretion rates. Another intriguing consequence of the new model is that the critical mass for collapse into black hole might not be reached for smaller dark matter halos, for example those surrounding some dwarf galaxies. The researchers suggest that this then might leave smaller dwarf galaxies with a central dark matter nucleus, rather than the expected black hole. Such a dark matter core could still mimic the gravitational signatures of a conventional central black hole, whilst a dark matter outer halo could also explain the observed galaxy rotation curves. This model shows how dark matter halos could harbor dense concentrations at their centers, which may play a crucial role in helping to understand the formation of supermassive black holes. Here, researchers proven for the first time that such a core halo dark matter distribution can indeed form in a cosmological framework and remain stable for the lifetime of the universe. The researchers hope that further studies will shed more light on supermassive black hole formation in the very earliest days of our universe, as well as investigating whether the centers of non-active galaxies, including our own Milky Way, may play host in these dense dark matter cores. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on galactic space, computer science, and astronomy. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.